Hi, very good morning. Today I want to say is about the mind clock. How to get up early without an alarm. First I'll explain you about the mind. Mind is the most efficient alarm clock. It's not invented. If you wish to get up early at the morning, follow all these points. When you follow all these points, you can definitely get up early without an alarm. The first point is 10 minutes. 10 minutes before going to a bed. Before going to a bed, sit on a chair. Sit on a chair. And the second point is close your eyes. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Relax. 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 The third point is tell yourself that you will wake up at early at 6 o'clock. I'll wake up at 6 o'clock. I'll wake up at 6 o'clock. The fourth point is it is very important. Visualize yourself that I am getting up at the desired time. I am fresh, I am alert, I am enthusiastic. If you like this video, like it, share it and comment it. And stay best and stay smile. Thank you.